Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best photo paper is probably one of the most crucial elements in bringing your photographic visions to life. From the subtle nuances of black and white prints to the vibrant explosion of colors, the right paper can make or break your final product. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of photo paper, exploring different types, finishes, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. JOYEZA Matte White Printable Vinyl Sticker Paper. This premium vinyl allows you to create beautiful, water-resistant stickers for various uses. You can easily boost its waterproofness and durability by sealing it with a UV-resistant sealer spray. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor applications. Create long-lasting, vibrant labels, lettering, and custom decals with this durable vinyl. It's ideal for a wide range of projects, ensuring your creations stand the test of time. The material is designed for lasting color and quality. The vinyl allows ink to dry quickly, making it easy to work with. It's designed for easy cutting by hand or with a die-cut machine. The backing layer makes peeling simple, and the high-quality glue ensures smooth application. This printable vinyl is guaranteed to work perfectly with your inkjet and/or laser printer. Each sheet is the standard 8.5 by 11 inches, ready for your projects. It's designed for ease of use with common printers. All JOYEZA products come with a lifetime guarantee. If you have any problems with this product, you're covered for the lifetime of the vinyl. We stand behind the quality and durability of our product. What we like. This vinyl paper is water resistant, making it perfect for outdoor use. It also dries quickly, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for durable and versatile stickers for your projects, this is the one for you. What people say. It works perfectly with both inkjet and laser printers, and the quality is consistently impressive. The paper is so easy to use and high quality. The ink dried quickly with no spearing. The stickers have adhered well to my iPad case and a water bottle. Number 4. PPD 8.5 by 11 Glossy Photo Paper, PPD 24-50. This glossy photo paper is perfect for your daily printing needs. It has a substantial weight and thickness, giving it a premium feel. You'll get 50 sheets per pack, ideal for various projects. The paper uses cast-coated technology for a smooth, glossy surface. This enhances the colors and sharpness of your prints. The back is uncoated, making it easy to write on with any pen. This photo paper works with any inkjet printer and all types of ink. Whether you use dye-based or pigment-based inks, it delivers consistent, high-quality results. It's great for many different projects. The paper is heavyweight and resists bending and tearing, ensuring your prints last. Its durable construction is perfect for frequent use, keeping your photos in great condition. It also has a clean, watermark-free surface. It's perfect for everyday photo prints, albums, and creative projects. The glossy finish enhances your prints, while the versatile backing adds functionality. It provides the perfect balance of looks and practicality. Photo Paper Direct has been a leading supplier since 1992. They are known for their commitment to excellence. All products are made in the United Kingdom, ensuring the highest standards of quality. They continue to deliver exceptional products. What we like. This photo paper has a glossy finish that enhances colors and sharpness. Its versatile backing is writable with any pen. If you like high-quality prints for everyday use, this paper will be a great choice. What people say. The paper is very thick and the prints look amazing. The colors are vibrant and the details are sharp. The paper is easy to work with and the results are consistently excellent. Number 3. Yoochees 10 PCS Backdrop Board Photography Kit. This kit is designed to make your product photos look professional. It includes everything you need to create eye-catching images of your products, such as food, jewelry, and cosmetics. It's perfect for online sellers and bloggers. The kit includes a black and white cardboard, 10 double-sided paper backdrops with various patterns, clips, L brackets, and a carrying bag. This provides a versatile setup for different photography needs. The compact size makes it easy to store and transport. The black and white board is made of thick photography paper card. The backdrops are made of high-quality coated photography paper with 3D printing patterns. They are durable and waterproof on the surface, making them easy to clean. This backdrop board is ideal for tabletop photography. It's easy to use and helps you create attractive pictures. It's a great tool for still life photographers, bloggers, and online sellers looking to enhance their product images. The backdrop board folds to a compact size, similar to an A3 paper. It comes with a carrying bag, making it easy to store, carry, and use anywhere. This makes it convenient for both studio and on-the-go photography. What we like. This kit is designed for small product photography. The waterproof surface makes it easy to clean. If you are a blogger or online seller, this kit will help you create professional-looking photos. What people say. The paper has a nice weight and the prints look fantastic. Prints look amazing, colors are vibrant and the blacks are deep. The paper is easy to work with and the results are consistently excellent. Number 2. Photography Backdrop Kit, 10 PCS 20 pattern for small items. This backdrop kit is your ideal partner for capturing stunning photos of small products and food. It adds visual interest to your shots, making your items stand out. It's perfect for online businesses, social media, and catalogs. Use it to showcase jewelry, cosmetics, snacks, and more. The different colors and textures allow you to create diverse and engaging content. It helps you to improve the quality of your product images. The small size makes it easy to use in your studio or on the go. The setup is simple, and the included carry bag makes storage and travel a breeze. It's great for tabletop, flat lay, and front view photography. With 10 pieces and 20 different colors, you have plenty of options for various settings. It's a must-have tool for content creators, influencers, and small business owners. It helps you to create professional-looking photos. It's simple to set up and take down, and switching between backdrops is easy. The high-quality coated paper is easy to clean. Remember, the edges are not waterproof, so avoid putting it completely in water. What we like. This kit offers multicolored backdrops for various settings. It is easy to set up and clean. If you are a content creator or small business owner, it will help you showcase your products beautifully. What people say. This is such great quality and easy to use. It comes with a variety of options for backdrops and also comes with a bag to help with storage after opening. It has a lot of background colors. Number 1. Savage number 51 Bone Seamless Paper Backdrop. This seamless paper backdrop is perfect for any photography needs. It provides a smooth and professional background for your photos or videos. The backdrop is great for fashion photography, portraits, YouTube videos, and interviews. It's also suitable for product photography and even pet photos. Use it to create stunning backdrops for streaming, social media content, and retail displays. It will make your content stand out. This high-quality paper is made in the USA. It is 86 inches wide and 36 feet long, providing ample space for your creative projects. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, this backdrop is easy to set up and use. It's a versatile tool for all your creative endeavors. What we like. This seamless paper provides a smooth, professional background. It is made in the USA, ensuring quality. If you are a YouTuber or streamer, this backdrop is perfect for your videos and portraits. What people say. The paper is very thick and the prints look amazing. The colors are vibrant and the paper is very high quality. Prints look fantastic, with great detail and color. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.